Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to export chats in your WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp, tap on the three dots on the top right corner on the settings option. Here you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Choose the chats option. Here you can see the chat history on the bottom side. Tap on the chat history. Here you can see the export chat option. Tap on it and choose a chat you record to export and choose the option without media or include media. Now I selecting without media and you can send it through WhatsApp or mail or Bluetooth via more options. By doing this, you can export any details in your chats including messages, media or including audio, media, chats, etc. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.